Hello YouTube. Today we're presenting to you a vehicle, Japanese. It's a 97 Toyota Hilux Surf. I believe it's a 3.0 turbo diesel. Yeah, diesel. You don't see this in the United States. Today we're going to show you how to do a couple of service things we're going to perform to it. We have the oil filter, we have the fuel filter, and the air filter. If you would like for us to post more footage, more videos like this on rare cars that don't really exist here in the US, subscribe with us, give it a thumbs up, and we're gonna get started this vehicle.
Hilux is up in the air, coming from behind it, and the drain plug is going to be right there. You can't miss it. 14mm socket, and if you have one of these ratchets, it'll make the job a lot easier. After that, just let it drain for a bit. It's drained, plug is back in. Now you might be thinking, where's the oil filter at? It's not over here, it's not over there. Well, I'll show you where it's at on this one. To the top of the vehicle, all the oil is drained, the plug is back in. Now we're gonna have to get to the oil filter. So to get to the oil filter, you're gonna have to take off the air box. Take off the 3 clips from top, then it's gonna have 3 bolts on the bottom. So after you take off the air box, the oil filter is going to be right there. You can't miss it. This wasn't too tight, so we could take it off with our hands, but if not, you're going to have to get an oil filter tool to remove it. Make sure to clean everything really good before putting in the new one. Wipe everything down. This is what a regular oil filter looks like, about the size, and then you have the diesel one. Big difference. So these are not gonna fit for sure. You might want to get something a little bigger. And that's the part number right there. The type of oil we're using today is 10W30, heavy duty engine oil, diesel. And you want to lube the seal. Lube that bad boy up. It takes about 8 quarts or 2 gallons to fill up. After we're done filling it up with oil, then we go to the fuel filter. For the fuel filter removal, you want to take off these hoses, all the electrical connections, and then it's going to be a couple bolts on the bottom. It's shown right here in the video. Once the fuel filter is off the vehicle, you're going to want to take some pliers and be careful when taking the top off. because it's plastic. So try to be as careful as you can not to break anything. The easiest way to take out the fuel filter from the base is going to put it upside down like this, and then get some oil filter wrench and loosen it up. Now that the fuel filter is off, you're going to want to compare it to the old one. Looks the same, and it's going to come with new gaskets, so just replace all the new gaskets also. Once you do that, get a little bit of old diesel from the part and put it around the rings just for extra lubrication. After you put the gaskets on, put the sensor on top, put it in the base, hand tighten it, and it says in the box after you hand tighten it, do about a quarter turn on each side just to make sure. Now to put the fuel filter back on, you're just gonna do reverse of what you did in the first place. Same thing, put all the hoses on, make sure all the connectors are on, and bolt it back on. Since it is a diesel, you're going to want to primer the fuel filter. What you do is you get your palm and you just press this part on top. It's going to take a while though, so the more you pump it, the harder it will get. Alright, fuel filter is done, oil filter is done. Now you got to put the air box together. So same thing, just reverse. Put the air box, the bottom part, you put the new filter in, and then you just tighten everything again. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. I'll put all the part numbers that I have in the description also if you guys want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and like always, don't forget to like and subscribe.